Today we're making truffles. So we have this liner. These are gloves, chocolate chips, chocolate powder. These are dry fruits, coconut powder, and sprinkles. So we're emptying all these ingredients into a plate. Then we're putting the gloves. Then we're opening this. Now we're going to mix it up. Now we're going to scoop it. Then we're taking this out. Now we're rolling. Roll. It got on a ball. Now it got some more on it. Now we're done. I need to wash my hands.